Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Maverick in an XLT trim and powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. And then first looking at the pickup bed, which does have these panels here on either side with a QR code that is straight from Ford, so you can scan that and it'll give you ideas of what you can do with the bed space of this small or compact pickup. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, where you do have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, as well as being able to fold up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some pretty deep storage bins underneath, as well as another QR code here so you can get some ideas for what to do with that space. And in the middle you have a 12-volt power outlet. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You also have this interesting navy blue and orange color combo theming. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, and then your My View with a digital speedometer, your Now Playing, phone controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Further to the left here, you have your light controls, and then your trailer brake controller as part of your 4K tow package. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and then above that you have a little tray, and then to the side you have another little tray. Moving down, you have your media controls here with your hazards, and then moving down further you have your climate controls with air conditioning and automatic function. Moving down even further, you have a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. Then you have this tray area here with the orange color accent with plenty of combos for how you want to throw your phone in there or whatever else. And then you have your main shifter on a dial here, convenient, easy to use. Parking brake, 2 cup holders, little cubby, and then you have your traction control shut off, your brake hold, auto start stop shut off, and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and sport, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And you have another little tray and your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside for all of your stuff, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.